Welcome back everyone. As the outcome of the jollots from my last video, today we're traveling to Switzerland. We're going to experience their cuisine at the comforts of our home, and I will be making two of their famous dishes for today's video. The first one is called Zopf, means braid, and one of the most popular and delicious loaf traditionally eaten on Sunday mornings. Original recipe is in the description box below. Mix and set aside in a warm spot until the mixture starts to bubble, about 10 minutes or so. For step 4, keep on kneading. The longer you knead, the better the texture, ideally for 10 to 15 minutes. Step 5, let the dough rise and sit in a warm place for about 2 hours until double in size. There's a video on how to braid the dough on the link in the description box below. And for the last step, glaze the loaf using the egg wash and then pop it into a cold oven and turn the oven on to 200 degrees Celsius and set your timer for approximately 35 to 40 minutes. And the second dish is called Rosti, a fried potato-based pancake which is made by frying. Just a heads up, prepare the potatoes the night before for a better result. And the next day, grate the chilled potatoes and mix it with salt. That's the end of the video, everyone. If you have any suggestions of any popular Mexican dish, please comment down below. See you on the next one, and don't forget to subscribe.